In today's fast-paced world, the idea of escaping to a quiet, cozy retreat in nature is more appealing than ever. For those looking to make that dream a reality without investing in a full-size home or RV, the Freedom Tiny House could be your perfect match. Designed by Lusk Tiny Homes in Australia, this compact, architecturally styled dwelling redefines what's possible in small-scale living. Let's take a deep dive into this beautifully crafted home on wheels and see what makes it such a compelling choice for weekend getaways or short-term stays. The Freedom Tiny House doesn't try to be extravagant or oversized. Instead, it embraces the core principles of tiny living: simplicity, efficiency, and harmony with nature. Built on a lightweight steel frame and measuring just 6 meters in length, it's one of the more mobile and easily transportable tiny homes out there. But don't let the compact footprint fool you. Inside, it feels surprisingly open and luxurious. Thanks to its extra-high ceilings, measuring up to 4.2 meters, and extra-large windows, the space feels bright and connected to the outdoors. The expansive use of glass, including bifolding entrance doors and a massive rear window by the bed, creates a unique sense of fluidity and openness. Whether you're watching the sunrise or stargazing at night, the views feel uninterrupted and immersive. The interior layout is kept minimal yet functional. There's one separate enclosed space, the bathroom, hidden discreetly behind a sliding door that matches the kitchen countertop for visual consistency. The bathroom itself feels more luxurious than you'd expect from a tiny home, featuring a modern vanity, eco-friendly toilet, and a surprisingly large shower measuring 1,220 by 820 millimeters. It's the kind of comfort that elevates the space without compromising on style. The kitchen and bedroom share an open concept layout, but the designers cleverly inserted a full-height pantry as a visual divider. This pantry can double as a wardrobe if needed and also serves as a great way to take advantage of the vertical space. The kitchen is fully equipped, with sleek cabinetry featuring fingerprint-resistant laminate, a large sink, and built-in space for a mini fridge and microwave. There's also a slide-out table ideal for meals or working remotely. The bedroom area, nestled by the rear window, is designed to function as both a lounge bench by day and a cozy two-person bed at night. Thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows, you'll feel like you're sleeping directly in nature, making it perfect for couples who crave a more intimate and immersive getaway. But it's not just about beauty, this tiny home packs a lot of practicality too. From the block-out roller blinds and ceiling fan to the continuous flow hot water system, it's designed for real comfort. You'll also find double-pole power points, a solar-ready setup, and even a slide-out rear table that makes great use of the small footprint. Constructed on a heavy-duty galvanized steel trailer, the Freedom is built to last even in tough Australian environments like Victoria and Tasmania. Its WeatherTex cladding adds durability and low maintenance, while the birch plywood interior provides a warm, natural aesthetic. And now, the best part, the price. Despite all the high-end finishes and smart design features, the fully equipped Freedom model is priced at just 92,000 Australian dollars, or approximately $57,500 US. That's a fraction of the cost of a traditional home or even many travel trailers. Plus, buyers can opt for custom upgrades to further tailor the space to their needs. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple looking for a romantic escape, or an entrepreneur searching for a stylish rental unit for a winery, farm, or Airbnb, the Freedom Tiny House offers luxury, mobility, and minimalism all in one elegant package.